All right. Still working on that theme song. Got a couple weeks left. Somebody asked me a question about an end date for this. I haven't heard for sure. I am efforting to see if I can get some information about that. Until then, we're going to continue with the joy that is solving radical equations. And don't ask how I'm dressed. It was a little chilly when the storm blew in. So, like, I threw a hoodie on, and I threw some sweats on, and I look like a ninja. Day 7. Solve equations. Here we go. All sorts of stuff going on. I got stuff inside a radical. I got stuff outside a radical. Very simple rules. Outside of radical stuff gets done first. So I look at a problem like this. This is inside a radical. This is outside a radical. Outside the radical stuff gets done first. Follow your basic rules for solving equations. Add 5 to both sides. The only thing left on this side is the square root of x plus 3. That whole thing just comes right down to the next line. 5's are gone. 8 plus 3, 13. Now, I got a square root here. How do I get rid of square roots? You square them. Square both sides. Get out a calculator if you need it. We've done this 3,000 times already. X plus 3 is 169. Ignore my dog's barking. Subtract 3 from both sides. X is 166. There you go. Follow your rules for solving equations. Number 2. Get the radical by itself. Do the outside the radical things first. Root 2x equals 10. Square root, get rid of the square root by squaring both sides of the equation. So I got a 2. Sorry, typo, I just took care of that. So there is no radical there anymore. I got a 2x equals 100. Got to get the x by itself. Divide by 2. Bing, bang, boom. There she blows. Again, going back to a couple of days ago, last week sometime, I'm not bothering to check these because I didn't square a negative. When you square a negative, you got to make sure you're checking your work. Here we go. Now, I got to take care of outside the radical stuff first. What's being done here? Well, when I got a number written right next to it, something that is being multiplied. So to get rid of the 5 first, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. Divide by 5, I get 1. So the only thing left over here is x plus 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now I got to take care of that radical. Both sides get squared. And the magic happens here. X plus 3 equals 16. One more step. These are getting a little bit longer. But they're a whole lot more fun, aren't they? Oh, man. All sorts of fun stuff going on here. Now, you see all these numbers and you're like, hey, 6 and 4 is 24. I can... No. Don't get ahead of yourself. Be patient. Work through the problem. Outside stuff first. Divide by 4 on both sides. Root 6x equals 6. Some of you, again, you might be getting excited. You see 6's on both sides. You just want to make things magically go away. Don't do it. Follow the rules. I got to take care of that radical first. Square both sides. Now I have 6x here, and I have 36 on the other side. Follow the rules like we've been doing. Divide to finish. Take your time. Follow the rules. Outside stuff first. Stay safe.